Yes, ma'am. Please share your experience.
Hi, um, I'm Raghav's mom. Actually, I was searching for some good activities during summertime because Raghav was free and always watching TV for the whole day. So when I was trying to find something, by God's grace, I should say that I met a beautiful person, that is Aruna ma'am, and I spoke with her without knowing about her or the activity, this great brain activity and all. I spoke to her and immediately I got into information that this DMIT test and then brain activities without seeing, guessing the colors, these are all like a magical show for me initially, but I want to know more. So we came and met her, and my husband and me came and met here, and here we got into the course for Raghav, this 2 days course which we are going through for the past 2 days. Raghav was doing well, and after coming home also he was sharing a whole lot of stories with his father, even with me, and I saw him guessing colors without looking into the colors, and I am having a lot of question mark, see how it is happening, and still I am guessing how it is happening. I am having 100 questions in my mind, but this is a magic actually. I have heard about brain, I have read about the brain activities, but here with the help of these people like Aruna ma'am and their team, I think children are exploring their brain and they are learning some few many things, like I think all the children should get this kind of activities, and they should have their own achievements in their life. I want everyone to get this opportunity. So if you get to know this ma'am, and then please contact her and try to put your child also, so they will have their bright future.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Raghav, how is your experience?
That was good. I quite enjoyed it. I loved the course. It was good.
What all you are doing in 2 days?
I didn't even know that I can guess colors without putting the blindfold, and I can guess the colors.
You are able to read the flashcards?
Yeah, that was I didn't even know. It's just coming in my mind. I read it.
Wow. And the numbers and fishes, everything you are saying?
You should just focus. That's the thing.
When you focus, you are able to say?
Yes.
Wow. Congratulations, and we wish you best wishes. No, this actually improves your concentration. So that will affect in your studies and you will score good marks. All the best. What do you do, madam, by profession?
I was working as a teacher, and right now after shifted to Chennai, I have been with Raghav. Now I have been looking for some job. But see, guessing color is also a question mark for me. But guessing words and the pictures is another dimension of the brain activity. Okay, good. Thank you so much.
This is like opening up other dimensions of the brain.
Yeah, exactly. I would love to be in that world and see what is going on in some time.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.